Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the Mermaid Fish Attractor in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Mermaid Fish Attractor looks like, and you can purchase this item from Fanya, or you can also get these items by completing a quest. And wait, let me go to the Fanya's fishing store. Okay, you can purchase the Mermaid Fish Attractor with 2,000 golds or with one Whisting Star. Okay, and I've already had this Mermaid Fish Attractor, so I'm going to show you how we can use it. I'm going to go to my toolbox and equip my fishing tool. Wait. And then I'm going to hold the fish attractor and we can click on use like this, and it will attract fish, so you will be easier in catching the fish. Alright, I got this European place. Okay guys, and that's how we can get and use the Mermaid Fish Attractor in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!